Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how to present with PowerPoint. So first you need to create your own presentation. To do this, the easiest way, we need to have already or some already created presentation or designs that already are in the PowerPoint. So to do so, we go to the file and here we will find the new button. We are going to choose a presentation, so let's just create this one, and here you will find the presentation. After that, we need to customize our titles. For example, uh, whatever was the title, then we you can add some custom presentations or custom layouts or slides, and for example have just blanks. You add then your informations or your data. For example, you add pictures. You can insert pictures or shapes that are explaining something. For example, let's have it black one, then go for the weight, having big uh, arrow, and explain. And you can draw some things, for example, like that. Draw a table, one, two, etc., etc. Also, you can replay like that. You can trace something and modify on it into whatever you want. After that, you go for the transition or animation phase, and you start giving your objects, you give them some then I go like this and go to animation. For example, I will give it the wipe animation, and after you finish your animations, you go for the presentation. Then you will go for this uh, presentation mode, and you will start presenting. But before, you will need also to go to the review menu so you can check the spelling, check the grammar, check everything of the language concerning the language, and then you will start your presentation and go to the presentation mode and or diaporama mode, and you will start your own presentation, and you will be scrolling your slides one by one. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.